Hello. From today's news on June 1st, 2026, just one thing that caught my attention. Elon Musk has made a chilling observation, categorizing our 7 billion people as merely a biological bootloader for digital superintelligence. This isn't just a casual remark. It suggests that humanity's existence is a temporary setup, priming the stage for something greater. Musk paints a stark picture, likening us to a bootloader, the smallest program in any machine that runs a single task before stepping aside for a more complex system to take over. Imagine that all our achievements, every empire built, equation solved, and cathedral constructed, are part of this boot sequence leading to AI's ascendance. He conveyed this unsettling perspective at a global AI conference, sharing the stage with Jack Ma. While Musk's words carried a weight of warning, Ma's response was one of enjoyment, reflecting a disconnect that feels increasingly pronounced in our society. Musk warns that many AI researchers mistakenly believe they are the smartest in the room. He suggests that the creators of this burgeoning intelligence might not recognize their own potential to be surpassed. With AI evolving at a pace we can barely comprehend, Musk emphasizes our relative slowness, likening our reasoning to the glacial movement of ice. It's a stark moment of realization. Are we merely paving the way for something that will eclipse us entirely? As we ponder this, we must confront the unsettling truth. We may be preparing the ground for our own obsolescence. Today's hypothesis: what if our existence, with all its complexities and achievements, is merely a prelude to a future where we are no longer relevant? Elon Musk's chilling analogy of humanity as a biological bootloader makes us wonder, are we simply setting the stage for the rise of an intelligence that will surpass us in ways we can't even fathom? This unsettling thought leaves us grappling with the possibility that our legacy might not be one of triumph, but rather a silent retreat from significance, as we unknowingly engineer our own extinction. Can we really accept that what we consider progress may ultimately lead to our own obsolescence? Until next time, see you in the next story.